Hey guys, today we're upgrading a basic fan into an ice-cold mini AC. You'll need a copper pipe, mini water pump, zip ties, a fan, and a cool water container. Ready? Let's build! First job. We carefully remove the front grill of our fan and place it on the table. We've already prepped the copper pipe into this 8mm spiral. Now we're mounting it onto the grill, making sure to keep that airflow perfectly clear. To prevent the pipe from slipping, we secure it tightly to the grill using black plastic zip ties and cut off the excess parts to smooth them out. To stop any rattle or slide, I didn't settle for 4 points. I locked it down at 7 spots with zip ties, snipped the ends off, and now it's rock solid and looking sharp. Grill is done. Now, just a quick hand bend to the ends for a perfectly smooth finish. Next pipe, next spiral. To get that perfect curve without any kinks, just wrap it smoothly around a spray bottle. Once we hit that perfect helix shape, just slide the bottle out. Second spiral is ready for action. Here's the secret weapon that turns this into a real AC, the compressor. We're trimming the excess pipe and smoothing the ends for a perfect fit. Set the fan pipe aside. We're hooking our custom spiral straight to the compressor. This is where the real cooling magic happens. We made the connections, but we don't leave anything to chance. To prevent vibration and fully secure the pipe to the motor, we glue our copper pipe onto the compressor by pressing clear silicone with a silicone gun. Compressor is hooked up. Now for the airflow. Snap the copper-piped grill back onto the fan body and lock those clips into place. It's getting heavy. To keep this AC mobile, we're mounting it on our custom 6-wheeled wooden dolly. To kill the vibration, we're bolting the compressor to its new stand. A quick drill session and it's rock solid. To shape the pipe without kinks, we're using a small water pipe as a mold. Wrap it, slide the mold out, and boom, another perfect spiral. Check out that perfect helix. Smooth, stable, and exactly as planned. Ready to join the system. Time for the 2-part epoxy. Prepping it now to make this system leak-proof. No leaking is extremely important. We squeeze a bit from each tube into the lid sequentially and mix them well until they reach a homogeneous consistency and activate. We're applying the mix around the hose entries. This locks the hoses to the cap and seals off any chance of a leak. We're using a tough, flexible silicone hose for the circulation line. Connecting it to the compressor outlet now, the system is finally coming to life. Connecting the compressor hose to the fan's copper pipe. The bridge that brings the chill to the room is now complete. Time for power, wiring the compressor and mounting the plug. Remember, safety and insulation are key. Wiring's done. Now we're charging the compressor with gas. This is what gives the system that real AC chill. Big moment. Powering it up for the first time. Let's see if our DIY AC can actually freeze the room. And there it is, our DIY mini AC in all its glory. Compressor is pumping, fan is spinning, and that instant icy breeze makes it all worth it. Isn't this amazing? This system is so powerful, the pipes are literally icing over. We've brought real AC performance right to the desktop.